for today's video, our topic is, are you tired of feeling stuck, working long hours? You deserve time for yourself. Siya nga pala, my name is Gina. I'm living in Las Palmas, Gran Canaria, Spain. From an employee to digital business owner. 5 months ago, nag-decide akong hindi na bumalik pa sa pagiging empleyado. Kagaya nyo rin ako dati. I've been there, working so hard, feeling stuck. Nagtatrabaho ako ng mahabang oras. Isang araw na day off, walang pahinga at sinasakripisyo most of my time na dapat ang mga oras na yon ay ine-enjoy para gawin ang mga bagay na gusto ko and have time for myself. Time is gold, kaya we have to be smart enough to invest our time wisely. Ngayon, I work less and live the life on my own terms. This year so far, nakapagbiyahe ako ng 5 beses. Nagagawa ko ba ito dati? Of course not. Being a digital business owner, the flexibility na pwede akong mag-work 2 hours, 4 hours, sa kahit anong oras at kahit saan ko gusto. Madami ng buhay ang nabago ng online business na ito. We are here to help others do the same. Let's find a way out together. Mag-message ka lang kaibigan, naragsak nga tumulong, ken magiwanwan kada kayo. Ilocano, Tagalog, English, or Spanish, everyone is welcome. Have a good day everyone and God bless us all. Bye for now!